So today we're going to look at our Kirkwood Service Association Help Desk Kiosk webpage. Take a little bit look at our web-based knowledge, our forms, and how our ticket submission process works. So if we go to our web browser URL, type in www.kirkwoodserviceassociation.com, it will take you to your Kirkwood Service Association Help Desk Kiosk webpage. From this homepage, you can submit ticket requests for any account, hardware, or software issues from these links right here. And then we do partner with Zoom and Calendly for both video conferencing options with Zoom and scheduling with Calendly. You can set those both up with your active Gmail account, which is the preferred email client for all our Kirkwood Service Association end users. Then up in the top right-hand corner, we're going to look at our fact page here. These are our frequently asked questions. If you were having some common hardware issues, they can be listed under here, as well as software, as well as account issues. So if we take a look at some of our common hardware issues, my device has no power. Check the power connection to the wall or outlet, make sure the device is plugged in properly. My keyboard or mouse isn't working. Again, check all the connections from your mouse or keyboard to the machine or device to make sure they are properly plugged in. And my monitor has no display. Again, check the connections in the back of the monitor, into the back of the machine, and into the wall to make sure everything is connected properly and it has power. If none of these are fixed those issues, you might definitely submit a hardware issue request. And then we're looking at our software issues. My machine is not responding. Did you try turning it off and turning it back on? Sometimes that will certainly fix the issue. Websites or computers are not working properly. Is your operating system or program up to date? My computer is running very slow. You can try running a program called Disk Defragmenter. If you're running a Windows machine, just hit the Windows logo on your keyboard, type Disk Defragmenter, and run that using your default parameters. Common account issues. My password is not working. I'm having trouble logging into my account. Is the caps lock button on or number lock buttons toggle off or on? You might want to check those. If you forgot your password, you can try resetting that through my Forgot My Password button that's located on your account's homepage, and send a reset link to your email. And then we also have our Kirkwood Service Association instruction manual linked here. If you click on this, it will take you to our instruction manual, which handles as a full table of contents and goes through introduction about us, the hardware we use for our machine, software we're using to run our website and machine, a little bit about our network file sharing, the different account creations you may need. Obviously, Gmail, Zoom, Calendly are all accounts you're going to need to partner with us, and then a brief walkthrough of how to submit your ticket submission in written form if you're not finding this video helpful. Okay, then we're going to go to our location page. And on this last page, it's just going to give our location on campus here at Kirkwood, as well as a link to Google showing Google Maps showing our physical address, as well as our contact straightforward email address, Kirkwood Service Association @gmail.com, and a phone number where we can be reached. So navigating back to the homepage here, we're having an account issue. So we're going to go to fill out an account form. So we're going to click here. It's going to redirect us to our form creation account page. So from this page, we will enter our name, last name, the Gmail that is associated with our Zoom and Calendly accounts. Mine is going to be the type of issue we're having. Let's say we forgot our password. All right, so then from this area, we are able to attach a screenshot. You can add that here by just clicking the add account, and it will take you to this uh, page where you can upload from your device, your drive, or anything that might already be on the computer. We're not going to upload anything right now. And then you can as well choose a priority, either low, medium, or high. I would say we forgot our password. That would be maybe a medium issue. It's not quite an emergency, but it's a little bit urgent because if you can't get into your account, you might not be able to get any work done. So, and then in this bottom box down here, we'll try to describe our problem we're having in greater detail. So we'll say we forgot our login password and am unable to send a reset link to my email. Boom. And then we're going to submit. And then from this page, we'll just click this link here. This will take us back to our homepage. There's nothing further we need to do. And our account has been created and our ticket has been submitted to our technicians. And we will be in contact with you through the Gmail you have set up through that ticketing system and get a hold of you as soon as possible.